Chemical Anchors. Chemset Adhesive Anchor Systems. The Ramset Chemset Adhesive Anchor System is designed for anchoring to concrete and masonry without placing stress on the area around the hole. The grip of the anchor into the substrate is achieved chemically through the use of sophisticated resins which bond the anchor rod or bolt to the sides of the hole. Two separate systems are available: glass file type and injection type. Chemset Maxima Spin Capsule. The Maxima Spin Capsule is a glass file type suitable for use in corrosive and damp environments when used in conjunction with galvanized or stainless steel studs into solid concrete or masonry. Installation is achieved by drilling the correct size hole, cleaning the hole thoroughly, then dropping in the resin capsule and spinning home the anchor bolt under the rotary action of a rotary hammer drill. Special adapters are needed to connect the anchor bolt to the rotary hammer machine. Allow the specified curing time before applying load. Chemset Hammer Capsules. The Chemset Hammer Capsules are a chemical anchor based on epoxy acrylate, ideal for reinforcement starter bars and structural fixings. To install the Chemset Hammer Capsule, drill the correct size hole, clean the hole thoroughly and insert 1 or 2 capsules as required. Hammer home the starter bar or stud to the full depth of the hole. Allow the resin to cure for the specified time before applying load. Chemset Rio 502 Anchoring Adhesive. Chemset Rio 502 is a heavy-duty epoxy resin anchor for grade 500N reinforcement bar and studs. It works in dry, damp, wet and flooded holes with a fast cure time. It is vibration resistant and suitable for both solid and hollow base materials. It is approved for use with potable water. To install reinforcement bar using Chemset Rio 502, drill the hole to the required depth and diameter. Clean thoroughly with brush and pump. Gun a small amount of Rio 502 to waste to ensure complete and correct mixing of the 2-part cartridge via the static mixer nozzle. Fill the hole to the correct depth for the reinforcement bar with Rio 502. The rebar or stud can be inserted by hand using a slight rotary action to ensure complete adhesion of the resin. Allow the Chemset Rio 502 to cure for the specified time before applying any load. Chemset 801 Injection Anchoring Adhesive. The Chemset 801 Injection Anchoring Adhesive is a high-strength, tough epoxy mortar which allows high loads on anchored fixtures. It has high corrosion resistance, making it ideal for use in areas where frequent cleaning or chemicals are used. To install studs using Chemset 801, drill the hole to the required depth and diameter. Clean thoroughly with brush and pump. Assemble the nozzle onto the cartridge and gun a small amount of the 801 to waste to ensure complete and correct mixing of the 2-part cartridge via the static mixer nozzle. Gun enough adhesive into the hole so that it fills without overflowing when the stud is inserted. The anchor bolt can be inserted by hand simply by pushing the bolt into the hole with a slight rotary action to ensure the resin fills the threads of the anchor bolt. Allow the Chemset 801 to cure for the specified amount of time before applying load. Chemset 101 Injection Anchoring Adhesive. The Chemset 101 Injection Anchoring Adhesive is a fast-curing, multi-purpose chemical mortar for stress-free anchoring into solid concrete and masonry or hollow brick and block. A polyester resin, it is ideal for damp conditions. It offers an incredibly fast dispensing formulation and significantly faster curing times. It is suitable for medium-duty anchoring and reinforcement starter bars. To install studs using Chemset 101, drill the hole to the required depth and diameter. Clean thoroughly with brush and pump. Assemble the nozzle onto the cartridge and gun a small amount of the 101 to waste, then fill the hole to the desired depth with the resin. The anchor bolt can be inserted by hand, simply by pushing the bolt into the hole with a slight rotary action to ensure the resin fills the threads of the anchor bolt. Allow the Ramset 101 to cure for the specified time before loading. Using a special plastic molding, resin can be forced against the rear surface of a hollow concrete block to effect a secure fixing even in this otherwise difficult application. Ultrafix Plus. Ultrafix Plus is a fast curing adhesive for light-duty anchoring of threaded rods and studs into concrete, brick or block. To install threaded rod using Ultrafix Plus, drill the required hole to the correct diameter and depth. Clean the hole thoroughly with a brush and pump. Using a caulking gun, fill the hole to the appropriate depth with Ultrafix Plus. Insert the threaded rod using a slight rotary action. Allow the specified curing time before applying load. Ramset. Find us online at www.ramset.com.au or telephone our customer service centre on 1300 780 063.